In a dusty attic, James discovered an antique typewriter, its keys cold under his touch. Curiosity overrode caution as he began typing. Each keystroke echoed ominously, etching words that seemed to pulse with life. A shadow crept through the village, leaving whispers of dread, he wrote, feeling a chill spiral up his spine. Suddenly, the air thickened, and the room darkened. From the corners, shadows gathered, coalescing into a form that mirrored his words. James stumbled back, the typewriter clattering to the floor. It continued to type, each letter spelling out his doom. Panicked, he realized the stories it birthed were manifesting into reality, and as the final sentence imprinted itself, the shadow stretched towards him, a sinister smile forming before everything went dark.